Namaskaram everyone, welcome to another video and I am Ramesh Ram. Here in this video, I am going to give two very important settings in WhatsApp to protect your privacy. Okay, if you're doing private chat with your girlfriend or boyfriend or with anyone in WhatsApp, you can use these two settings to protect your privacy. Okay, if you do these settings, nobody can, whether it's your friend or your family members, nobody can see your WhatsApp chatting. Okay, so before we dive onto this video, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, and in that way you will get notified whenever I upload new videos in my channel. Okay, so let us dive onto this video. So the very first setting for to protect privacy for your WhatsApp chat is that you can put lock screen for any chat. Okay, you can see here. So if I go to this particular chat, it will ask for pin to open this chat. Okay, so if I enter wrong pin, it will not open. Only if I enter right pin, this chat will open. Okay, so how to put this lock screen? It's very simple. You need to install this app called chat lock for WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm also giving a link in the description for this app. Okay, just go and check it out. Okay, so after installation, you need to open this app. So here, click on start. So an ad will come, just skip this ad and then click on next, 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 and next, and finish. Okay, then click on start. So here you need to give an accessibility for this app. Okay, just enable the accessibility. Go to download services. Here please remember that your app vault should be on, otherwise this app won't work. Okay, then also check lock for WhatsApp. This is also you need to enable. Okay, so give allow, then come back to the app. So here disable battery option, this is also you need to enable. Okay, so once you enable this, you can start this app. So here you need to create a pin that you want to put for WhatsApp chat. Okay, so I will create one. Okay, so you need to confirm your new pin. So once you're done with the pin setting, you need to click on plus to put WhatsApp chat, to put lock screen for any WhatsApp chat. Click on plus, and then here you can choose whichever WhatsApp chat you want to put lock screen for that. Okay, so I will choose this one. So here I can enter my pin. Okay, so this has been added to lock screen. Okay, so if I go here in WhatsApp and go to the chat, it will ask for pin. Okay, so only when we put right kind of right pin, unless you put right pin, it will not open. Okay, so that is how you can protect your chatting, or you can do private chatting by putting lock screen to your chatting. Okay, that is the first way. And coming to another way is archive chat. Okay, so WhatsApp has come with new update, that is archive chat. Okay, basically archive chat is to protect your privacy. So if you want to put any chats to privacy or to archive, you need to long press on that particular chart, and then here on the top right corner you can see download symbol. It is not actually download symbol, it is archive symbol. Once you click on that, your chat will automatically archived. Okay, so how to see this archived chat? So you need to go below last. Okay, here below you can see the archive chat, so you need to click on that. So here you can see these are the three private chats I have right now. So if you want private chat, if you archive your chat, nobody can see, you can privately chat with your friend or chat with that person. Okay, so if you don't want private chat, if you want to put back this same chat to normal chatting, just long press it once again, and then you can unarchive here. Okay, then click on here. So once you click on unarchive, it will go to normal chatting. Okay, so that is how, these are the two ways you can protect your private chatting in WhatsApp. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, have a great and fantastic day. Namaskaram.